Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine making $100 a day just by doing what you love online. Let me show you how. First, you need to sign up and register with Swagbucks. It's quick, easy, and free. Just enter your correct details and you're all set. Now let's dive into the fun stuff. You can start earning daily by complete surveys. Share your opinions and earn points. Cashback shopping. Shop through Swagbucks and get cashback from thousands of retailers. Watch videos. Earn SB just by watching videos you love. Play games. Have fun while earning points. The opportunities are endless. Swagbucks is a fantastic way to turn your everyday activities into cash rewards. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your income with minimal effort and flexible hours. To get started, make sure to click on the link in the description box below to be taken to the correct platform. Make sure to do this as you will get a special welcome gift upon registration. Swagbucks is reliable, trustworthy, and can help you earn up to $100 a day. Easy as that. Thank you for watching this Findify how-to video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips on the way. Happy earning!